Hello, Nkechi. Hello, Nkechi. Nkechi, see, let me tell you. If you know that you love me, it's time to prove your love.
Thank you.
Nkechi, if you know that you love me now, dash me one pint of Gary.
Jesus!
No, don't tell me that things are not. This is the only way that I'm going to prove that you love me. If you don't dash me one pint of Gary, go, it's over between us. You love somebody, hunger will be doing somebody. What kind of love is this? Don't give me agape love, give me true love. You love me and hunger see they do me. See, this is the only option. If you don't give me one pint of Gary, I'm going to break up with you. You love me and hunger is doing me. What is your problem? Fake love everywhere. Fake love everywhere. You pretending to love somebody when you don't love that person. Get your bag. Not that I'm shouting, I beg you. Just one penta. Next week I will give you back. Please. This is not a loving matter. It's not a laughing matter, get you. It's not a laughing matter, get you. Just one penta. Hunger go kill your lover. Get your hunger go kill your lover.